Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will cook spaghetti alla carbonara. So let's get to it. First, we start by dicing some bacon. If you can get your hands on some guanciale, which is cured pork jaw, then do that, because the end result will be fantastic. Next, we bring to boiling point some water for our pasta. And in a hot cast iron pan, we add the diced bacon. We sear it until it gets brown and crispy. We season it with freshly ground black pepper. Our bacon looks amazing, so we take our pan off the heat and we let it sit for a few minutes. When you look for pasta, try to find the one which has a rough texture. It makes a huge difference because the sauce sticks to it better. Our water is at a boiling point, so we add some salt and our pasta. Next, we separate a few egg yolks in a bowl and we add some salt and ground pepper. We mix them in, and as a last touch, we add some pecorino. Our pasta is ready, so we finish our dish. We add the pasta to the pan, along with the egg yolks. We mix them in, and we add some starchy water from the pasta. If it is a bit dry, add some more water until it gets nice and creamy. We top it with some pecorino, and voila! Our spaghetti alla carbonara are done. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you on the next one.